Welcome friends and students. I am starting with exercise 10.1, question number 7. Session A. The length of the diameter of the circle with center O is 6 cm. The length of the diameter from this point to this point is 6 cm. So radius will be 3 cm. PT is a tangent from an external point P. So this PT is a tangent from external point P to the circle at the point T. This is the point of contact is T. The distance of the point P and the center O is 5 cm. So distance P and O is 5 cm. Then the length of the tangent PT is 4 cm. Then PT will be 4 cm. All the distance are given. This one is 5 cm. This one diameter is 6 cm. That means radius is 3 cm, 5 cm, and radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So it is a right triangle. And this is the hypotenuse, 5 square equal to 25. And this one is radius is 3 cm. 3 is 9. 25 minus 9 equal to 16. And square root of 16 is 4. So PT is 4. So assertion is correct. What are the reason? Reason: the radius through the point of contact of tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the tangent. The reason is also correct. That means assertion is also correct. Reason is also correct. The reason said this is the radius and this is perpendicular to the tangents. So this is the property of tangent. So both assertion A and reason are true. Now option A, assertion A and reason R both are true. Correct. Reason R is the correct explanation for the assertion A. Correct. So A is the correct answer. Let's read the option B also. Assertion A and reason R both correct. True. Yes. The reason R is not correct, is not the correct explanation of the assertion. No, it's not true. So B is not correct. C. Assertion A is true but reason R is false. No, incorrect. D. Assertion A is false but reason R is true. Again incorrect. So correct answer is A. Assertion A and reason R both true. Both are true. Reason R is the correct explanation for the assertion A. So answer is A. So let me draw the circle to explain you. Okay. So 7. This is the circle I am drawing with pen. You draw with pencil. And this one is the point O and external point P. This one is P and one tangent. At T. This one is T. So this is the picture given. So let me draw the line diameter. So this one is 6 cm whole length. So this part is 3 cm, half of the diameter. And this one is given 5 cm. And this one is then this one is 4 cm. So assertion this one is a right triangle. This POT is a right triangle because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So it's a right triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras formula law. So according to the Pythagoras formula, hypotenuse square equals sum of square of other two sides. PT is 4 cm. Is it correct? PT equals 5 square minus 9 square PT square. This equals 25 minus 5 square equal to 3 square minus 9 equal 16. equals 4 square. Therefore, PT equals 4 cm to square root, positive square root 4 cm. So length of the PT is 4 centimeter. So assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Now the reason is said the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That's why PT is 4 centimeter. Yes, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. And for this reason, this is a right triangle, and since it is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem formula to calculate PT. So reason is also correct. Reason is correct explanation. So there are 4 options are given. One option A is assertion is correct. Yes, it is correct. And the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Yes, it is the correct explanation. And this is given in the option A. And others are not true in all sense. So correct answer is option A. Assertion A and reason are both are true. Both are true. Reason R is the correct explanation for assertion A. Reason R is the correct explanation for assertion. Question number 8. The line segment joining the points of contact of 2 parallel tangents to a circle is an option 1. Radius of the circle, diameter of the circle, secant of the circle, arc of the circle. So which of the above are correct? Which one is correct? Only 2, only 3, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 4. So I am drawing a circle here. Say O. This one is the circle. You draw the circle with the pencil and compass. So this is a point, and this one is the tangent 1, the other tangent. So this is the circle of point O. This one is perpendicular, and if I extend it, it will go to this side. So since the same line is perpendicular, at this point, if I draw a tangent, this is again perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular distance between the 2 lines. So these 2 tangents are parallel. So in between the 2 tangents, there is only one line segment. This is not the line. So this is a line segment, say AB, passing through the center and 2 distinct points of the circle passing through the center. So this is a diameter only. It is not a secant because this is not a line. Secant is a line, but diameter is a segment intersecting 2 points passing through the center. There were 4 options. The option 2 is diameter of the circle, and we were given again options only 2. Yes. So answer is A, only Roman 2. So only Roman 2 diameter of the circle. It is not the secant of the circle because it is a line segment. It's not a line, so it cannot be a secant.